Hello friends, I hope you are well. Now, in the last video, we covered some maxims and I hope it turned out to be helpful for you. If you've not seen my previous video, I have placed a link under this video for your reference. Today, let's delve in detail into some more maxims in the legal parlance. We all know maxims in legal parlance refers to established principles of law. So let's look at another maxim which is very popular, ratio decidendi. Now, ratio decidendi simply means reason for the decision. One of the easiest way to remember this is ratio is similar to the word rationale, that means reason, and decidendi is similar to the word decision. So, reason for the decision becomes ratio decidendi. These are generally material facts, reasoning, and principles of law that have led the court to decide the case in a certain direction. On the other hand, you would have also heard the word obiter dicta, which is nothing but observations of the court, but they do not have any effect on the decision of the court. Let's come to the second one, res judicata. Now, in Latin, you would say res judicata because in many European countries, when you spell J, it is pronounced as Y. So it becomes res judicata. Res in Latin always means things, and judicata is similar to the word being judged. So res judicata, literally speaking, are things judged or a case already decided. As a legal principle, it applies to both civil and criminal law, where it means that any case that has been decided finally by a competent court, number one, and number two, can no longer be appealed. Such a case cannot be relitigated. Now, this is a defense that has been frequently taken by many defendants in matters pertaining to legal disputes. Let's take its opposite word, res sub judice. Res again always means, it means things. Sub means under, like submarine, underwater, and judice, or in actual Latin it would be judice. It means judge or justice. So in legal parlance, it will mean case under judge or case under trial. That is, any matter that is undergoing trial proceedings in the court. This principle prevents two parallel proceedings for the same offense in two different but equally competent courts. So the same matter cannot be tried in two different courts at the same time. Then let's come to status quo. Status means situation and quo means where. Status quo means where things stand as of now. So the future could be good, bad, we don't know. But at present, whatever is the situation, that is the status quo, where things stand as of now. Then let's go to quid pro quo. The literal translation from Latin means something for something. Now, if you remember from previous video, pro always means in favor or benefits of something. So something that is done in favor for something or in benefit for something is quid pro quo. A very simple, innocent example would be the barter system, where the goods are exchanged in favor of other goods. Then let's come to the next one, sine die. Die in Latin means day, and sine means without or sans. That is, a scenario where no date is assigned. For example, a meeting or a session is suspended without assigning a future date for reconvening the meeting. Then we say that the meeting has been suspended sine die. That is, it has been suspended for an indefinite period because no reconvening date has been assigned. Then comes sine qua non. Sine qua non means without which nothing. Sine means without, non nothing, and qua is like a question. There can be different kinds of question: what, when, which, how, where, and this is which, without which nothing. Now it refers to a condition which is absolutely necessary for an act to happen, and if that condition is absent, the entire argument falls apart. In legal parlance, It refers to a relationship between the injury caused to a person and the act of the other person. For example, if Mr. A would have kept his dog leashed in the market, it wouldn't have bitten the old lady. Or, a delicious way to remember it would be that there can be no mac and cheese without the cheese. So here cheese is the sine qua non. Then let's come to the next one, suo moto. Suo moto means on its own motion. Suo means self and moto means motor, something that is in motion. In legal parlance, it means that the court takes an action by itself, on its own initiative, even though there might be no request by the parties to the proceedings. Next one, ubi jus ibi remedium, or ubi jus ibi remedium. That is, whenever there is a right, there is a remedy. So where there is a right, there is a remedy. And the last one, veto, a word that we hear so many times in international parlance, It's nothing but ban or order to not allow something to become a law even though it has been passed by parliament or a competent legislative body. So friends, I hope these maxims have become easier for you to remember and more clearer. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and have a great day.